on popular demand about how do we really create healers. What are the benefits of becoming a Hooponopono healer? What exactly is our Hooponopono healers program? A lot of people have been sending questions on that. So Indu insisted that we should make a detailed video on what exactly is this healers program, but most importantly, what are the benefits of becoming a Hooponopono healer. So let's get ready, and we are back with the Hooponopono Queen today. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Mitesh Khatri, and this is
Indu Khatri.
We are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Yes, Indu, bolo. क्या वीडियो बनाना था आपको Hooponopono?
So I keep getting a lot of questions. That what is Hooponopono healer? How does it work? Why it works? How much time it takes? So I thought I should take this opportunity and answer all the questions.
Done.
You ready? I'll ask questions. You answer.
Done. Today question answer चल रहा है. Interview mode. बोलो.
Okay. So we are going to first and foremost. How much time it takes to become a healer?
2 days.
Just 2 days?
Just 2 days.
Explain.
Okay. देखो. While the concept is simple, it requires a lot of practice. The first day of the healing program is all about learning 5 different types of Hooponopono, which I call as advanced conversational Hooponopono. ठीक है? ये जो advanced conversational Hooponopono है, इसको I can very very proudly say we have coined this method, है ना? और ये हमने design किया है.
Yes.
Dr. Joe Vitale, who's one of the senior-most senior-most healers in the world in Hooponopono, has personally given us a video saying that our conversational Hooponopono is unique, it is original. In fact, he recommended our program to his students.
Yes.
तो first day हम 5 अलग-अलग type के conversational Hooponopono के technique सीखेंगे. But पूरा दिन क्यों लगता है? Because full day we practice
and see the results.
So पहले दिन बहुत सारे result program में आ जाते हैं.
और अपने लिए आते हैं.
हाँ, खुद के लिए रिजल्ट्स वहीं आ जाते हैं.
Perfect. And second day क्या होता है?
So second day is where you learn how to heal other people, how to create healing programs.
Wow.
लोगों को बुलाए कैसे? मैं एक रेडीमेड स्क्रिप्ट दूंगा लोगों के लिए.
Okay.
कि ये स्क्रिप्ट लो और इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके सोशल मीडिया में डाल दो, लोग आपके प्रोग्राम में आ जाएंगे.
Perfect.
लोग जब प्रोग्राम में आएंगे तो आपको वेबिनार में क्या करना है, चाहे 5 लोग आए या 1000 लोग आए या 500 लोग आए या एक आदमी आए, उस वेबिनार में आपको क्या करना है वो स्क्रिप्ट मैं दूंगा. वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना. वेबिनार के एंड में आपको लोगों को और फ्री कैसे Hooponopono देना है वो मैं सिखाऊंगा और उसकी प्रैक्टिस भी कराऊंगा दूसरे दिन. उसके बाद में लोगों को खुद के पेड प्रोग्राम में कैसे बुलाना है उसकी सेलिंग स्क्रिप्ट मैं दूंगा. बेस्ट पार्ट, it will be effortless selling and you will practice it on the second day with me.
Perfect. So that means if I'm understanding it right, first day you're going to equip me completely with all the techniques of
Correct.
Hooponopono, which is advanced conversational Hooponopono.
Correct.
And second day you are going to equip me to sell.
Yes.
So after I come out of this 2 days long program, which is Saturday, Sunday, generally we conduct over the weekend. After I come out of this 2 days program, I am ready to launch myself as a healer.
No. Second day ही launch हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Not after the second day.
अच्छा, after
I'll tell you why. Second day afternoon को ही I give people an assignment saying ये script लो, अभी के अभी लोगों को invite करो. So on the second day itself you would have decided what is the launch date of your first Hooponopono Healers program, and the invitation would have gone out on the second day of the Healers program.
Wow.
Yes.
Amazing. So I'm ready to make money.
Yes, you're ready to make money from the second day itself. And the best part is when people join your program, after they've given you money, what to teach them, वो भी पूरी स्क्रिप्ट मैं दे रहा हूँ.
Wow.
So you will even practice that script with me, that after selling, what to deliver, how to deliver, what is the content, with script and practices will happen on the second day.
Okay. So after second day, once I launch the program, I start delivering free. So how many days I deliver free?
You deliver free for approximately 5 days.
And after that, I invite them to join the paid program.
Yes.
Wow. And then I take money.
Yes.
Now my one more question I have. I keep getting that, ma'am, do I need to have landing page, website, this, that? Do I need to have all that?
So, simple answer, no.
No.
थोड़ा detailed answer. We have at least 5,000 healers in the system right now.
Yes.
हमने किसी के लिए कोई system बनाने के लिए नहीं बोला. Nobody has created a landing page. किसी ने कोई email sequence नहीं बनाया है. कोई automation नहीं सीख रहा है. कोई laptop नहीं use कर रहा है. कुछ नहीं. Nothing. It is just Zoom. And it is a mic, some music, you, your students, and healing.
That's about it.
Simple.
Amazing. So you don't need extraordinary things, or you don't have to invest. लाखों का investment नहीं करना है.
नहीं. टेक्नोलॉजी भी ज़्यादा समझने की जरूरत है. अगर लैपटॉप यूज़ करना आता है, Zoom यूज़ करना आता है, म्यूजिक यूज़ करना आता है, बात करना आता है, क्या बात करना है वो मैं सिखाता हूँ.
Okay. Now one more question I get. Can I do this in different languages? Do I have to do it in English? I'm not good at it in English, for example. So how can I do it in some other language?
We've got Hooponopono healers right now who are teaching Hooponopono in Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati. English. Oh, there is one in German also.
Gujarati and German.
Gujarati, German. Lots of people are there. I think French bhi hai. There's one French also. So a lot of languages. The language is not a barrier. It doesn't matter which language you speak. Aap Hindi bolo or you're speaking in English. Doesn't matter. You can become a healer with multiple languages.
In fact, we have one Telugu healer. I mean, we have many students. But one Telugu healer, because I am close to her, maybe that's why I remember it. She has made more than 3 crores only by being a healer. And she teaches in Telugu. When she does her physical event, she needs bodyguards. So many people appear for her program. And so we have healers in Telugu. We have healers in Marathi. I'm a coach. One more question is, I'm a coach. And I don't want to launch myself as an independent healer. But I do want to combine this healing technique with my coaching technique. Can I do that?
Absolutely. In fact, not only can you combine, I'll show you how to combine it. The best part is, once you combine it, your coaching business will grow 10 times. So to give you Geeta's example, Geeta is one of our platinum members. She is a menopause coach.
Yes.
And she was not growing very fast at that time.
She was making about a month.
I think about 2 to 3 lakhs, probably that time. And once she combined Hooponopono with her menopause coaching program, the results that her students started getting were so phenomenal that her income from there went up to 50 lakhs a month over a period of time.
Wow. Amazing.
So yes, you can combine it as a coach.
Yeah. She's already clocked more than 10 crores using her coaching systems.
Again, Pooja is another example who's doing it with Reiki.
We have one more coach called Pooja. She is doing it along with Reiki. So she is already a Reiki master. She has combined Hooponopono with her Reiki healing, Reiki master technique. And with this combination, she's also actually rocket lag gaya uske success mein. She was making some 30,000-40,000 rupees a month. Now she's making nice few lakh rupees a month very easily. Wow, amazing. Now, I don't want to become a healer. I mean, I want to become a healer, but I don't want to charge money.
Okay.
I don't want to go out and say, I pay me. But I do want...
You feel like helping. You want to help. You want to heal.
I want to help. I want to get that satisfaction of healing people. How can I do that?
Okay, so yes, you can do that. You don't necessarily have to charge people for it. We have a teacher in the community who is very senior. I think she must be about 65 or so. And she lives also in a village, right?
In Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu. And she, as a teacher, started teaching Hooponopono without any money to her school teachers. Yeah. And as a result of that, she started healing hundreds of people.
Yeah.
In fact, I think now she's crossed thousands of people.
Yes, yeah.
So she's healing many people. She's getting a lot of blessings. She's getting a lot of personal satisfaction.
Yes.
And still she's not charging money. But from her heart, this is what she wants to do. So she's helping people. Not just that, there are so many people who are learning it for themselves and their family.
Their family.
Like there is one particular member whose son has some special health problems. So she learned only for her son. Her son started getting benefits. The best part is now today the son is also learning Hooponopono.
Yeah.
So yes, you don't have to necessarily charge for it, but you can become a healer professionally, not necessarily to make money, but to help people.
So in total, how many people are healed by your healers?
Oh, we've definitely crossed more than 1 lakh people.
Wow. And
because 5,000 तो healers ही हैं.
नहीं, 8,000.
8,000 हो गए. तो 8,000 तो healers ही हो गए. Individually इन लोगों ने अगर सबने देखो 500, किसी ने 1,000, किसी ने 2,000, किसी ने 300, 400, टोटल तो 1 लाख से ज्यादा क्रॉस हो.
एक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी रिजल्ट बताओ.
उनका या मेरा?
उनका. अपना तो बहुत है. उनका बताओ.
चलो ठीक है. So there is an amazing gentleman. He's a doctor. So best part is हमारे Hooponopono healers program में doctors बहुत सारे. So बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि this is a क्या बोलते हैं alternative healing ना.
Yes.
तो कई बार some medical people they don't promote it. But ये एक ऐसा healer program है जो doctors भी promote करते हैं.
Exactly. We have loads of doctors.
Loads of doctors. So one of him, he was part of the program, and immediately after he became a healer, just 2 weeks later, he was in the hospital. And the best part was he had taught Hooponopono to one of his doctors who was doing a surgery on a pregnant woman. Delivery was going on in the OT. And suddenly there was an announcement of some emergency in the OT. So this doctor was also there, our student. And his student was in the OT doing the surgery. So he went to the OT for whatever announcement was there. And this student of his realized during the surgery that the child who got delivered was not responding.
Yeah.
तो आपको मालूम है अगर कि once the child is delivered, the child is supposed to cry. Right, to start that breathing practice.
Yeah.
But this child was not breathing and this child was not crying, no response at all. So the baby was not responding for some time. So this student of his started putting his hands on the baby's chest, started doing Hooponopono.
And one hand on his
on his own hand, on his own chest. And he started doing Hooponopono. And the baby started breathing.
Cry.
And started crying.
I still get goosebumps with this story.
So this is not me healing somebody.
Yeah.
This is my student taught to another person who got the result. So these are the kind of results our students are getting.
Yes, amazing. Now, last question, which is the most important. How can they join?
Very simple. You don't even have to pay any money immediately. There's a link in the description below this video. Click on it, register it, go through the first lesson free.
Yeah.
Where you first experience what is Hooponopono and the power of Hooponopono, of what you will deliver to other people. And you will learn that by me experiencing it to you first. I call it tears of joy experience. By the end of this session, you will feel so light that after a long time, you will tell me you slept peacefully. And then you will learn how to deliver this kind of an experience to other people.
Perfect.
Just come for this session, and at the end of it, then you decide if you want to become a healer.
Perfect. So looking forward to see you all in the Healers program. Do attend the free course, which is link is in the description. Please join.
And I hope this video helps. This was Indu's idea, by the way. And if you want us to make more such videos about our other courses also, just like this in a casual conversation explaining what our courses are about, or if you have any more questions about this particular Hooponopono course, which we may not have answered during this video, please tell us in the comment section. We'll definitely add another video for it. Okay? See you soon. And if you want us to create more such videos, what do?
Subscribe and click on bell icon.
Done. And then you'll get a notification for our next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.